Alright, in this video, I wanted to show you guys how you can get some altcoins or get some of the coins that aren't on Coinbase. And this is one way that I'm starting to use, or the one platform that I'm just jumping on, and it's called Kucoin. It's Kucoin.com. And this has a bunch of coins that I was looking at. I was looking at a bunch of gaming coins, and this one has like 7 of them that I was looking at. So I jumped on here, I sent some money over here, and if you go to markets, you can scroll down and there's a huge list of coins that you can choose from. Or if you come up here to the search, here we come up here to the search. Here's one that I got, VRA, and if you click in here, it brings you to this trading interface, and it has a little password that you put in, that you enter, and then you can start trading. And so right down here you can do market order, or you could do limit order, and you can put in your orders right there. And then right here you can see what your open orders are, your order history, trade history. And I've put in a few positions on some of the coins that I was watching, just some small little tiny positions. I just sent a little bit of money here. I'm just gonna kind of play around in this little thing interface, get to learn it a little bit better, and then I don't know, just to see how it kind of works and see if I like it or not. But it seems pretty cool so far. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. The fees seem actually pretty reasonable, very reasonable, pretty good actually. And then, like I said, they have a bunch of coins, pretty much any coin that you could want. And there seems like there's a bunch of other stuff too. Maybe you could do like derivatives or leverage trading and stuff like that. So yeah, seems like there's a bunch of different features on this site, and I just started using it, so letting you guys know it might be pretty cool, and so far it seems pretty cool in my book. And then they have app for Apple and Android. If we come down here, we go to the fees, you can see that even at the lowest percent, it's 0.1%, which is pretty good. And then the fees just get better as it goes up. So this might be pretty cool. This might be a pretty cool solution compared to Coinbase, in my opinion. So I might be trading a little bit more on here. Like I said, it does have some of those altcoins that I was looking at, some of those gaming altcoins. So that's why I jumped on here. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description, and you guys should check this out. Let me know if you guys use KuCoin, and if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions, let me know.